Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2020 Chevy Blazer RS. This all-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your back tinted windows, black Chevy decals, and 20-inch dark Android machine face aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose premium audio system, jet black leather seating with a red lining throughout the entire vehicle. Now, when it comes to the front, we have the ability to switch from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive, or whatever you may please. We have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated and cooling seats on both sides, your push to talk, a heated steering wheel, front collision alert, and your basic cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.